Hi everyone. Bloody throat. Hi everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing. Slightly different one, but still an unboxing. And it's a grab bag or grab box of comics. Yeah, different comics. And better turn that the other way, just in case you lot see me address. Yeah, it's an unboxing, so for comics. So what we do, any further ado, we'll get number 5 is alive, knife out, and we'll start cutting. Right, let's cut this way. Yeah, look at, oh, as he cuts himself, nearly. Oh, look at that. Oh, very nice. Like knife through butter, blimey. Right, hold on. As he knocks the camera over again. What's the matter with you? Right, we'll get rid of the box. Oh, they're in packets. Let's open the packet up. Right. Oh, look at this. Number 5's he's working overtime today. Come on, number 5. There you go. Right, let's pull the first one out. On the back, it's got Star Trek. And it's a DC one. Black Lightning. $2.99 in the United States. I'm just trying to think what year this is in. Nice comic though, I do like it. Don't know. But yeah, look. Nice. Coming soon to theatres. No knowing. Oh, that gives you a clue. Right, that's oh, that's 3 of 6, that one. And the next one, there's the back of it. It all starts here. I expect it does. Oh, what? Another DC. Evolution. Cool. This is $2.50. And I don't know what number. 97 anyway, so pretty cool. Look at this, look at that, pretty cool. Oh, she don't look happy, look at her. No, I ain't gonna say it. I expect all you lot know what you're gonna say. Well, I'm gonna say, not you. Look at that. Right. I don't know. This channel hasn't got a number, you know. It's got the 9th of June anyway, so yeah. So that's 3. Ooh, what's this one? Oh, don't stick. Oh, right. I'm not sure, look at this. Not sure if it's the right cover. 75 cents, UK, 40p. So the beginning, I'm not sure if this is the right cover. It might be a cover put on a bit later. Because I can't see any staplers. Creases are there. Special fold out cover. Oh, hold on. Oh yeah, look at that, look. Cool. Yep. What year was it? Oh, you didn't know, look at that. Challenge of the Gods. Fucking idiot. Water damaged. Yeah, got some watermarks there. I'm trying to look, but I can't see the date. Nevertheless, nice comic. Oh, and the last one. Here we go. We've got Iron Man, America. Look at them all. Iron Man 3. So that's the newish one. Number 5. Yes. Not bad graphics. As you can see, not bad graphics. And that's all for that pile. So how many we got? 1, 2, 3. We've got 4 in there. Yes. 4 in there, and I will put them away in a minute. This one feels pretty well. What's the name? Let's have a look at this one. Batman 3, Beyond Gotham. Dear oh dear. And what's this? Oh, United Justice League. New 52. 2015. 2015. Not bad. There you go, basketball fans. Look at this lot. Yes, good graphics. I like them. Ah, suck. Yeah. Not bad graphics. I like them. Yeah, that book could go there. So yeah. There we go. And the next one. Oh, X-Force. Very nice. Yes. That's Sonia Oback. It's number 17. $2.99 on that one. Bloody advertisement. Oh, get out of it. Cool. But you see the graphics are good. Cool, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah, oh, that's good. I like that. Yeah, so that one I go there. Oh, let's pull this one out. The Wanderers. The Wanderers. I'll go round and round and round, 'cause I'm the Wanderer. Right, number 1. Whoa, you see that? Ooh, 'cause I'm the Wanderer. Yeah, the Wanderer. With Rosie on my chest, and there we go. Number 1. Yes. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Not bad, not bad. Come on. Yeah, nice. Yeah, not nice. Number 1 book. Not at all. Yeah, we'll have a look at the prices and I'll get back to you on these, I think. And then we got Daredevil. 237. 237. That's quite a lot. Especially for this age. How old's that? I don't know. Oh, 2006. No, you donut. 1985. 1985. Alright, so 1985. Not bad. Yes, that's 1985. Oh, get here. Right, and what's... Oh, we've got the Hulk. In 2 months, time runs out. Really. Secret Wars, number 43. Look at that, 43. Marvel Con. $4. Yeah, nearly $4 it's cost. Graphics ain't too bad. Looks like he's got Hangover in the box, doesn't it? Yeah, not bad, not bad. Moving swiftly on. Moving on. All right, Daredevil. number 278. This has got to be another 1985 one. It looks like it. Look at that. Got Nintendo and all that lot. So yeah, it's got the old dirty pages. What I mean by dirty pages, I mean the old look pages. The old style comic books. Yeah. That reminds me, I used to go to the library a lot, and I had dirty hands, and I brought some books back and they were dirty, and the woman said, you're not allowed to bring dirty books back. I said, well, I don't read porno. Well, there you go. That's nothing really to worry about. Another Daredevil. If I can... It does. Yeah, and that's another 262. And that's not bad. I like this. I like the old ones. You mean me? 'Course I mean you. There's something fishy going on here. You mean me? 'Course I mean you. Yes, you. Idiot. What a silly thing to say. Oh, God, look at this. Da, 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 da. Oh, Ninja. Oh, Ninja Turtle. Can we have some pizza? No. Ooh, Splinter. Look at that. Yep. Right, so how many did we get out of this lot? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've got about 7 and 4 is 11. So 11 comics I've got there, which ain't bad. They come from eBay. I forgot the seller's name, unless he's dropped it on the back. Nope. And they're grab bags. They don't cost very much. They range from a couple of quid all the way up to about 15. You can get bronze in there, you can get silver, get mixed, or you can just get DCs. It's up to you, but yes, it's like a lucky dip. Yeah, because you never know, you might just get that one comment that's worth a few bob. Yes. Okay then, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please comment below. If you didn't, still comment below. If you're not sure, comment below. Subscribe and all that kind of hunky-dory stuff. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.